We come to the next one. Lecture 10 is classification matter. Rūpa Vibhāga. Okay. This one is taken from your YMBA text. So closely follow that. Okay. So now we look into Rūpa. Classification as single-fold. This is called all material phenomena. So what is single-fold? First one, Ahetuka. Ahetuka are all rootless material and is devoid of, is devoid of the 6 roots, namely the lobha, dukkha, moha, and the alobha, adosa, amoha, which are the cetasika. Right? Rootless one don't have all these roots. And then when you go enlightenment, you also have all the 6 roots removed. You can go for your final enlightenment. That's what we know. Sappa Chaya, all are related to causes. How Rupa are formed? The Rupa don't simply form. It has 4 causes. First one is the Kama, Chitta, Uttu, and Ahara. So all material phenomena are conditioned Dhamma. So remember that all are conditioned Dhamma. Then you have the Sasava, all serve as objects for defilement. These material phenomena serve as object of 4 things. What are 4 things? These are the evil 4 things. First one, as you know, sensual desire, Kama Sava, existence, Viva Sava. I mean, you crave for, some people crave for become in the Brahma or the formless world. This is another form of existence. Besides material gate, we also crave for other things. And then wrong views, Diti Sava, okay, and ignorant, or what I call foolishness, Avijja Sava. These are all the cause of this single-fold one. Then Sankata, all are conditioned by 4 causes. So material phenomena cannot arise existent by themselves. So it's because of the 4 causes that we have spoken earlier. That's why they arise. And they arise dependent on condition. So as we say here, the causes are all these. So depend on condition. So Lokiya, all are connected with world of 5 aggregates attached. Remember, everything formed because of 5 aggregates. So material phenomena are part and parcel of the first aggregate. I mean, what I study now is called the Rūpa Skanda. So none of the Rūpa Kandas can transcend the 5 aggregates, hence mundane. Then Kama Vachara, all come within the range of the sense object. So all grades and categories of material phenomena belong to the same sphere, even though certain material phenomena are found in some fine material box. These are objects of sensual craving. Even fine material also belong to a sort of craving. So these are single-fold. So next one, Anaramana. All do not perceive object. The Rupa cannot perceive object or does not have the faculty to understand object. Only Chitta and Chittasika can perceive the object. Hence, they are termed as Anamana. I mean, object, you cannot, understand it because you don't have this Chitta and Chittasika. You need Chitta and Chittasika to understand it. So Rupa by itself cannot be perceived. Anna Apahattava, all are eliminated by Magas. Magas means path. So matter cannot be eradicated like the cankers of defilement. Neither can it be destroyed nor crushed. Remember that. This canker and defilement, we can destroy it, but not the matter. So when you attain the path, you can get rid of all these cankers and defilement. Okay, this is taken from your YMBA books. So we need to know what is twofold and onefold. So twofold, they divide to a number of division. Division A, or twofold division A, they are the four great essential. Remember the four great essential, four basic element. The all the four, remember, is correct already. Four. And the other is a derived method of phenomena. That the one, the Upadharupa. This one is the 24. So total 28. So the four great essential are the most basic element, which are inseparable and found in each and every minute of the matter. So as long as matter, you find these four great essential. And then the derived matter, material are the balance 24, which are dependent on the great essential. You need to have four essential before the 24 can come out. So that means that the derived matter will not arise without the help of the four great essential. So this is a very important part. Four essential come out, then you got the 24 coming out. So this is how the thing works. This so is twofold. Then twofold is another way also in B1, internal, what I call Ajidhatika. The five pasada, I mean the five faculties are called Ajidhatika or internal, and the remaining 28 rupas are called the Bahira, external, because the five sensitive organs are essential for seeing, hearing, smelling, etc. And people value them highly. Without them, they are inanimate lost. So human being, in a way, depending on the five faculty for all the action. So external. So you need to, on the second floor one, you need to break into division. I don't know how they test. I need to review the question, how they going to test it. So next one is the internal, Bahiram. Out of the 28 phenomena, the important five sensitive phenomena, I mean the organs of eye, ear, nose, tongue, and body. I mean the five faculty that serve as doors to which the external objects are named as internal material phenomena is in fact the pasada rupa of the mentioned organs. I mean the five organs externally present, and also you are considered the internal, how the thing work. The nose, the got hair, all that thing, all are working under and the internal part. So the balance 23 material phenomena which appear in the physical body are called external material phenomena. So this is under twofold division B. And twofold division C is called basis, Vatu Rupa. Basis means the solid foundation. So the five pasada rupa, the five called sense organ, together with the hada vatu, hada is a heart, are named, are classified under this name, Vatu Rupa, while the rest are called the Avatu Rupa. They act as seat of consciousness. I think the second question on this, what's the difference between this Vatu Rupa and Aduta Rupa? So you must know, the five Pasada Rupa with the Hada Vatu is named as Vatu Rupa, and the rest is called Avatu Rupa. So this act as a seat of consciousness. Next one, what are non-bases or Avatu Rupa? Bases are the material phenomena dependent on which consider arises. So these serve as the foundation for arising of consciousness by the eye, ear, nose, body, and heart. Bases and the balance 22 material are the non-bases. So you exclude this one, I mean the bases one. So the rest 22 are the non-bases one. So this is a way of determining twofold. Then twofold division D, doors, Dvava Rupa. I mean the contact or the door to open to the external world. So the 5 Pasada Rupa with the 2 Vananti Rupa. Two Vananti Rupa, are called Dvava Rupa, while the rest are called Avada Rupa. So this is thing you must start remembering what is all this term mean, okay? It's referring to the 28 of them, they classify it into different categories. So you must know door one are Dvara Rupa, while the rest are called Avara, non-door. So these 5 Asava Rupa serve as door, which give rise to the sensing, Pancha Dvava Vatis, whereas the 2 Vanati Rupas, I mean the 2 Vanati Rupas, I mean is the voice and the body action, are the places or means of performing body action and the verbal action. So these are called door, Dvava Rupa or doors. Then non-doors are Avara Rupa. So remaining, the doors are the avenue in which action are performed. The 5 senses plus the vocal and plus the bodily action form the door. So the non-door are all, in all there are 7 doors. These fall into 2 types, namely contact door and doors of action. And the 5 sensitive phenomena, eye, ear, nose, tongue, body, are the initial door of contact, and the 2 communication rupa, body, intimation, vocal intimation, are door of moral and immoral action. Okay, you need to understand all this division. Next one is the twofold division E, faculty indriya rupa. The 5 pasada rupa, the 2 bhava rupa, and the javinta rupa together form 8 indriya rupas, while the remaining 20 rupas are termed as andrindriya rupa. I mean non-faculty. So indriya means faculty which has controlling power in the sphere. Whereas, for instance, the chakku, pasada control seeing, sota control the hearing, and so on. So iti bhava control the feminine, and the purisa bhava control the masculine. So these are considered the so-called indriya rupa. So non-faculty, there are 8 faculties. The ear sensitivity, I mean the eye sensitivity, ear sensitivity, nose sensitivity, nose sensitivity. Yeah, I typed wrongly. Nose, ear sensitivity, ear, nose, the tongue, and the body sensitivity, and the 2 sexual phenomena, male, female, and the life faculty. So these form the faculty in the, and then this phenomena exercise controlling power of their different activities. For example, the eye sensitivity become the key factor in processing of seeing, and no one could see things without the material phenomena of eye sensitivity, even though all the requirements are fulfilled. So the other faculty carry the same strength as the basic field. So balance 20 rupa number non-faculties. So this is how they differentiate the faculty. So the 8 is belong to faculty. Quite confusing, huh? So I don't know how you test your this kind of question. So we need to break into categories, which are not and which are yes. Then next one, twofold division on F, on gross material phenomena, Aurika Rupa, and then a non-gross material phenomena, Sukuma. So the 5 sensory organs and the respective 7 objects that come in contact with organs are called Aurika, and these are coarse and rough. And the 5 Pasada Rupas and the 7 Gochara Rupas together form 12 Urarika Rupas, while remaining 16 Rupas are termed Sukuma Rupas. gross and non-gross. So these gross material phenomena are called proximate. And since these are easily comprehended even from a distance, so this is how they classify this kind of category. So these phenomena are also called as impinging material phenomena, since the physical organ and objects are subject to impinge each other. So the balanced 16 material phenomena are called stubble, distant, and non-impinging. So this is a way they divide gross and non-gross. Then twofold division in G is called method Klang 2 or Upadina Rupa. So the 18 Kamaja Rupa are called Upadina Rupa. The rest are termed Anudina Rupa. The 18 Rupas produced by Kama are grasped by the Rupa as it resulted in collaboration with the craving and force view. So this 18 of them, because of this resultant of craving and force view, thus form this 18 of them. Then, which matter are not klang? The anupadina rupa. Upadina means that which are produced karmically as resultant born out of previous karma motivated by craving and wrong views. In the context, we refer only to material phenomena. In all, there are 18 material phenomena which are produced by previous karma. So the 18 on top one are because of karma. These are namely the 8 faculties: India Rupa, the heart-based, the inseparable phenomena caused by karma, earth, water, fire, air, visible form, smell, taste, and nutriment and space element. So this one form the so-called karma. So material phenomena produced by other causes, namely consciousness, temperature, nutriment, are termed as matter not clung to anupada rupa. That means matter not clung or non-clung matter. Okay. So this division you also need to know which are the number. Then the second four under division H visible or Sandidasana Rupa. These are Rupa Nama Vana called Sandidasa Rupa because it can be seen by the eye. And the remaining Rupas are called Andisana Rupa, and because they cannot be seen by eye. So one can be seen, one cannot be seen. So of all the material phenomena, 28, only one of them, namely the visible form, is called visible and can be seen. So the other 27 material phenomena is a non-visible, hence called Adidasa Rupa. So this is another division which they break down. Then they break another twofold division into I. Material that take objects, Gochara Kahika. These are not capable of taking object. They are Gochara Gahika. So the 5 Pasada Rupas can take the external sense object as partial. So they are called Gocharika Rupas. So the 5 senses, these are the Gocharika Rupas. All the rest are called Agocharika Rupas. So in a way, the 5 sense organs are capable of taking the respective object. So each of them has an object. And out of this, the eye and the ear can accommodate object, only the eye and ear, of visible form and sound respectively from afar. So these two objects do not require physical contact organs. So the eye and also the sound, they do not come in contact with the organs directly. They can be far away. So these two are hence called asampata, gocha, hika. So the other 3 organs of sense, nose, tongue, and body, can take object of smell, taste, and tangibility respectively once these physical objects contact each other. So they need to be have near to it, near to the object. Hence, the three organs are called sampata, kocharika. So, spelling wrongly. A note should be made that the contact of the respective material phenomena alone cannot cognize the object. Is the consciousness actually cognize the object? So the five senses is to capture the sort of object picture only. So what the next step is the consciousness that digest this impinged object and then register in your memory. So the balanced material phenomena which cannot take object are termed as agochara rika rupa. So this is a two-way of differentiating can take object and cannot take objects. Wow, so many. Then the twofold division of J is inseparable material phenomena. Abhidhamma rupa. And separatable, inseparable, this separable phenomena, meaning goka rupa. So the eight, rupas comprising patava, apo, tejo, vayo, vana, ganda, rasa, and uja are bound together, inseparable and indivisible. So they are called Vinoga rupas, whereas the rest are called Vinibhoga rupas. So the definition of Vinibhoga rupa sounds like original definition of atom, but atoms are later found to be divisible into electrons and protons and neutrons. So according to Abhidhamma, these subatomic particles can be regarded as first one inseparable rupas. The four essential and the image four derivatives are produced together in nature as kalapas, which are fundamental units of matter. So these kalapas have about the same size as electron. So however small a particle may be, it's always made up of the Vibhāga rupa, which are really invisible and inseparable. So we're talking about the inseparable and separable one. Okay, so this one you need to read through to understand.